Chocolate Kids. Come, my friends, let's start today. We will learn our shapes and play. Circle is round, round and round, like a ball rolling on the ground. Big or small, fast or slow, circle rolls, roll, roll, roll. Square has four sides, same and neat, like a box or cookie sweet. Up and down, left and right, square looks strong and fits just right. Triangle has three sides to see, 1, 2, 3. Count with me, pointing up like a little hill. Triangle is fun and cool, yes, still. Rectangle is long and wide, like a door standing by your side. Two sides short and two sides long. Rectangle looks tall and strong. Star goes twinkle in the sky, shining bright way up high. 5 little points sparkle so. Star says wish and glow, glow, glow. Heart says love to me and you. Red or pink, so sweet and true. Hugs and kisses, soft and kind. Heart means love you always find. Oval looks like an egg, so neat, smooth and soft and really sweet. Roll it gently on the floor. Oval rolls and rolls some more. Diamond shines like a gem so bright. Sparkle, sparkle day and night. Pointy corners shiny too. Diamond smiles back at you. Crescent is curved like a smile, soft and shiny all the while. Thin and round, not full and wide. Crescent shape looks fun inside. Shapes are fun, we learn them all. Clap your hands and take a